Hello everybody, my name is Cameron Lastly with Lastly Media, and today I'm going to show you how to change or remove backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop. This has been an extremely requested video of me by several people, so I figured, well, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is open up Adobe Photoshop. What we're going to do is we're actually going to partially split screen this, and we're going to load in the image that we want to use. So the way I like to do it is that I go in File Explorer, I'll do like a split screen here, go to the location of the image I want to use, find the image, just drag and drop, size it to the frame, and press the Enter key. Now the first thing you're going to want to do, and this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it, one of the most simple ways to do it, is that I like to use this little quick select tool right here. So if you see this right here, if you hold down your mouse and move it to the right, it'll give you this little these two little selection tools. I like to use the quick selection tool as it's quick and easy. So first we're just going to roughly go around the areas that we don't want to keep and just kind of let up every once in a while so you can easily press Control Z. Now what you're going to want to do is you'll make sure you get that crease right there, get in that camera. Now what we're going to want to do is any area like this that we want to keep, what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the Alt key on our keyboard and just kind of hover over the areas that we want to keep here. Just like that, and then we've got a little space down here. Just going to give it a rough look over. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Select, Inverse, Edit, Copy, and we're going to create a new window that needs to be the same resolution. Press OK. Now we can go up here to Edit, Paste, and there's our image. Then we can move the image around as we need to. Now, just for the purpose of this, I found a royalty-free image that we're going to use as the background just as a simple demonstration. So it's on our desktop, it is a wood background. So all we're going to do is just drag that over into our Photoshop window and go back to full screen. Now we're going to want to go to this tool right here so we can, actually no, we can just do it from this tool. So then just size it to your image just like that, or however big you need it, and press the Enter button. Now we see our layer 1 right here, which we actually don't need this background layer anymore for transparency. This layer 1 right here, all we're going to do is just drag it on top of that, and there's our replaced background. Now if you just want to remove the background from an image, it's extremely similar. So all we're going to do is just basically do the exact same thing. Press Copy, make a new document with the same dimensions, 6,000 by 4,000. Go up here to Edit and Paste. And you see there's this layer called background here. If we take this background layer and just throw it away, then you're going to have a transparent image. Now if you want to export that, all you have to do is go up here to Export, Export As. Make sure it's in PNG format to preserve its transparency in the background. JPEG images will not do this. Click Export All, and we're just wherever you'd like to save it to. Now that image is saved, so if we look and refresh our desktop, we'll see that this image right here has no background. It is a completely clear background, as you see. It's the same color everywhere. So you see, even on the Windows desktop, if you can see that, that has no background to it whatsoever. So now you can do whatever you want to with it. You notice these edges are a little rugged, and that's just because that was just a quick and simple way of doing it. If you're not too worried about detail, you can always go back and do a really sharp refine, but with the image we had, it might have been a little bit difficult due to the texture of the background. So that's just a general overview of how to remove backgrounds or change the background in Adobe Photoshop. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I would be happy to answer those for you. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for next time.